Hey, welcome back. So before you come up with content that you want to share on other websites to get backlinks, why not create content that is so good that people want to link to, other websites want to link to, other bloggers want to link to? How about people want to share on social media and so forth? So here are a few strategies that you can use to create content that other websites will link to yours. So you get a backlink automatically and traffic at the same time. Plus you come up as an authority in your industry. So number one, use visual assets like images, diagrams, infographics, charts, because they are easy to understand and people like to link to those kind of pages. Statistically, it has been proven that landing pages with visual assets get more backlinks. Okay. In your own content on your own website, use numbered list posts. List posts pack a ton of value into digestible, bite-sized chunks. People like to read posts that'll have a number: 6 ways to do this, 7 ways to do that, 4 ways to increase the life of your carpets, 3 things to know before you call a roof repair contractor to your house, and so on. So when you have a numbered list post, you'll see that you get more traffic to those pages because others will link to it, and there's potential that it may also get shared on social media. Use research and data in your content. Content that reveals new data from industry studies, surveys, or original search will get eyeballs. And if you don't know where to get this, maybe you look into your industry magazines. For example, if you are providing cleaning services, you may have subscribed to magazines like Clean Facts. And so when you read that, you'll find certain articles that talk about the latest research, the latest data, which can be related to, let's say, COVID-19 disinfecting or disinfecting services in general. You can then rewrite that using the resources on the landing page, because when you add data, you should mention where you got the data from. So you mention the resources or mention the sources of the data and create content based upon that. There will be other websites who will link to your landing pages just because they like to see all the research and data on it. Have in-depth guides on your landing pages. Now, if this is something, if you don't want to write, you can always outsource. So Ultimate Guides pack an insane amount of information in one place. This makes your guide the go-to resource for that topic. Now, you might feel, Sonny, how do we get to write a guide? I mean, what do we even talk about? So here's a few things that you can get ideas from. Of course, you can have your own ideas as well. But then if you don't know where to start, what I would do is go to Google and let's say search office cleaning plus guides. Let's say if you provide office cleaning services, then you can have something similar on your website, on your landing pages. Prepping the office area, daily cleaning procedures, weekly cleaning procedures, monthly cleaning procedures, and so on. So I'm not asking you to copy this, but this gives you an idea of where to start. Let's say if you provide carpet cleaning services, you will find a few guides like this. Now, some of these guides are written for the business owner, okay? But you can still rewrite these guides with your audience in mind. So now you're targeting homeowners when you rewrite this guide, not other business owners. And although these are really small guides, you can have one written for around $50 from an outsourcing website, which will probably have 2,000 to 3,000 words in it. So this is how you can get some ideas of which guide to begin with. What's your search rate? What service you're trying to rank your website in? And then you can simply Google that search phrase, that service, plus the word guide and get some ideas. 17 carpet cleaning hacks. So this is a numbered list. We just talked about a numbered post. It says 17 carpet cleaning hacks that can save your carpet. That's pretty good. And you don't need to copy it. You just need to have it rewritten. And this says 17. You may feel that there's a couple of points in it that don't make sense to you. You can remove those or maybe add more, and you can make it 20 carpet cleaning hacks and so forth. So you get the idea. These guides or these pages are usually longer because these are in depth. So you can also use your key phrases a lot more times than, let's say, on other pages where you may have a blog post that might be only 500 words, right? So use this strategy to get backlinks from other websites. People would like to share these guides. People would like to link to these guides even without you asking them to do so, just because there's value in it. And then, of course, you can do product reviews and product demonstration. If you have some latest equipment that you use in your business to provide services to your homeowners, let's say, then you can have a video on your products, how good they are, or the equipment, why your product is better than your competitors, because it cleans stains in a much better way without, let's say, destroying the carpet. So you can do that. You should do that, where you actually show the products, the chemicals, or any such thing that you use in your business when you provide services on one of the landing pages of your website. And finally, remember those how-to key phrases we talked about back in the keyword module? Go back to those search phrases, and you can always have a landing page dedicated to these how-to and whatever they are. How to remove stains from carpets, how to remove a vine stain, how to keep your office clean, and so on and so forth. How to dry a basement after a flood. People will not do it themselves. So don't think if you will show how to dry a basement after a flood, people will start doing it themselves. No, they'll still call you. In fact, you'll get more calls that way. So one, your site will rank higher. Two, you'll get more backlinks from other websites because it's hard to find such content on internet. So other websites will link to yours. You'll be an authority figure in your industry. And of course, all of this combined will generate more leads, more business for you. Okay. And I'll see you in the next video.